Peace, family. Welcome back to another video with Credit Healing LLC. Now today what I want to do is I want to actually ask you this question. Who are you? What do you think and what do you want to do in life? And the reason I ask this question is because many times we don't really know what our goals are, what our objectives are, and what we want to do in life and where we want to go. But I want to tell you that you should always have full faith in yourself and do what you believe. If you think that you won't be able to do something, then you won't be able to do it. If you think that you will be able to do something and it's going to happen, then it's going to happen. So I say that to say that you can get started on repairing your credit. It's very, very easy and it's not hard to do. I've done it and many others have done it as well. All you have to do is just get started. You can be able to experience life and do the things that you want to do in life by just simply going to my website, www.credithealing.org, getting your credit healing packet, or you can have me do it for you, and then get started. Do not procrastinate. Do not believe that you can't do it because you can. If you need help, feel free to contact me because I'm here to help you. I'm here to help you to be able to obtain the things that you want in life and do what you want in life. All right? I love you, family. Be great. Believe in yourself and know that the desires that you want in life has already happened. All you need to do is open that door and then walk right through it. Peace, family.